Okay, now we have this section done, which is section S5 and S6. Now this is the other long section, which is S2 and S3. I went ahead already, and this is post G. I connected them through there and put my cam bolt in, and then I'm gonna leave, because this is gonna go in identical to the other side. So you go ahead and fill in all your dowels, and after you fill in all your dowels, you come over here and you would put this post in. This is post A. Okay. And now, what we want to do is we'll stand up this section. I'll bring in this section. Once again, it will be infinitely easier with two people. Okay. Now I want to take a long bolt and put it in the bottom over here. Okay, so now your gate works. All right, now this section here, we'll pick this section up. Okay, put the bottom one in. Now, once again, with this one here, what you need to do is fill in all the dowels into here. So basically, as you get that half and half and start feeding your dowels all the way down. Okay. And you would feed them all the way down, and when you get to the end, then you slip this thing in, and now you got that section. You would put the short bolts through here on both of those sides there and tighten that corner up. Then you have your last corner here. All right,